Alright, I've got my Amana washer. It's about 3 years old. And I went ahead and I popped the lid switch off and stuck it right here, just that way you can see what's going on the inside and that it is, in fact, working like it's supposed to. It's filling up now, and I just got it on a large load, warm, cold, and just regular. And it's going ahead and filling up. Kind of like about this is it's cool. You could add your clothes and put your soap in and stuff as it's filling up. Some of the other ones won't let you do that. So I'll come back as it moves through. A few things I want to show you. One, that it does fill all the way up with water, which is nice with these machines. Some of them don't do that either. This one fills all the way up, has a strong agitation, and then a real fast spin cycle. So I'll let you see all that, and then we'll move on to the dryer. Okay, so it's on the wash portion, and it is doing the deep agitation there. So that's what it sounds like, that's what it looks like. It's nice and quiet. So we'll go ahead and move on to the spin cycle next. Alright, so here we go into the final spin. It's getting the last little bit of water out. And it kind of goes through this three-phase cycle where it will spin lightly like this as it gets the water out. Then it does a medium, and then it does a high spin. And that takes all between 7 and 10 minutes for the full final spin. So I'm going to pause it. Then when it's running full blast, I'll come back and let you see that real quick. Alright, so it's running full blast now. As you can see, it sounds great, and it's not shaky, wobbly, or anything like that. Then it is spinning at the high speed. And obviously you'd never open the lid. You couldn't because the lock would be in place, but this is just for viewing purposes so you can see that it spins. It's nice and balanced. You got to see that it uses a full tub of water, so all things that are very important. The tub works, everything works. So we'll get those clothes moved over to the dryer and show you that that works. Okay, so this guy is finishing up on that spin cycle. It's just about done. One thing I wanted to mention on these Amana washers, particularly this style right here, this is not going to be for the person who has extremely heavy clothes, like your construction workers or someone who's just going to pile it full of jeans or towels that are very saturated. It's not really designed for that. And what I had read online was that if you do that, it will go off balance. So just kind of to test that real quick, I threw my heaviest jeans, heaviest towels, and packed it all the way up to the brim. And of course, since it uses all of that water, it was an extremely heavy load. And when it got to the rinse cycle, it did in fact wobble and got off balance. So I was able to just pull a few pieces out. And it didn't have to pull too many out before it ran like it's supposed to. But even in the manual, it states not to overload this style because of its suspension system. So something to note, if you're looking for a washer that can handle really heavy loads, like maybe you're washing some really heavy jeans or something like that, this is not going to be for you. This is going to be for the typical everyday user, kids' clothes and a mix of jeans and towels and shirts and that kind of thing. And one other little tip that I had read is some people who were doing the really big loads in these, if it got off balance, they would open it up and just smush these clothes down. They'd smush them down, and then it would run fine. So what seems to happen is if it gets too full and top heavy, it causes it to sway, which throws it off balance. So once I pulled a few pieces out, and you'll see these are still a pretty heavy load here. I've got mostly pants, just old pants, and a couple of pretty heavy towels down here. So I mean, this is still considered a pretty heavy load, and it did just fine, but I had about twice this many clothes piled up in here, and it couldn't handle it. So I wanted to throw that out there just so you know. Other than that, this one's in like new condition. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and get those clothes there moved over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works good also. Okay, so I got that cleaned out, You can see that's nice and clean. Get those clothes moved over here to the dryer. As you can see, it's all jeans and a couple of really big towels. Nice bright light there. Of course, this is in excellent shape. Nice huge capacity on that. So make sure the heat's on regular. Don't care about the signal. We'll just go with regular time. You just push that knob there. And as you can hear, that sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it heats like it's supposed to. It's a temperature gun here. And give it just a sec to heat up. We will shoot this right inside the heating element tube. See, there's plenty of heat coming in from there. Yep, so it's nice and hot. It sounds great. No weird noises, and it's not off balance or no loud thumping or anything like that. All things that you would want to check for. So that's pretty much it on this set here. We'll get it up and listed, and of course if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, have a good day.